country.
What's
What?
his country?
What's your country?
Arab.
Okay, what are you doing now?
I will greet him. Arabo. Arabo.
Arabo.
Arabo too.
Arabo all.
Ah. 50 pesos.
We're gonna
5
pay.
pesos. Limang po yun, limang po.
Caltex.
Hello?
What did you say? It's like,
Tagalog, you're speaking Tagalog. Iba pala pala Tagalog. Inchik pala.
oh my god.
Oo.
Isip ko pa sali.
Hapon yun eh.
Okay, so why are we quiet? Okay, because we're
The people are staring at us.
Malabo. Malabo. When I say Malabo, you say walang buto.
What's walang buto?
Malabo. Walang buto.
Walang buto.
I love it.
Walang buto.
Malabo. Walang buto.
I don't get it. Never mind.
Don't think of
What
it.
language is that?
Never mind.
It's a Moran's language. Okay, excuse me, sir. What's your name?
Why are they staring at us?
Do you know this guy? This guy over here. I don't know him. He's creepy. He's laughing at us. Don't know him.
One thing I know, my armpits are done.
Your armpits are gone.
Yeah.
That is what I know. Me, what I know.
Chicken.
What I know is my armpits are wet.
That's what I know too. My armpits are very wet. They're sticky. They're sticky.
You're so Okay, Ivan just confessed that his armpits are sticky. Mine
I
is
heard it
not.
from Josh.
No,
I heard it from Josh.
I didn't say anything about it.
I heard it from
That's why we do not need to, we don't do that. We do not need to buy any glue anymore because his armpits will
You have seen his
acquire all
armpits.
armpits.
His weakness?
Armpits. That's why he's pulling out of my. That's why he's pulling out of my
Not here.
my hand. Not in the jeepney. In the one.
You know the boy.
It's not a jeepney, right? I thought it was.
You know the boy. Hey!
Hindi, it's okay. It's another day.
It hurts.
Okay,
Yeah, ma, flashing shit.
What's your country again? I know you
Chinia.
Vietnam.
Vietnam. And from another country,
Vietnam.
Chinia.
Where is that in the map?
Ah, mine too. Chinya Mahaba.
Beside Mongolia.
It's my country. It's in Chinya Mahab. Chinko Mahab.
I know your name. You're
Yeah.
from China, right?
What?
Lucky Chan.
Lucky Chan.
Lucky Chan.
I know.
Is that a
Excuse me,
joke?
mister, why you're laughing here?
I am Ala Chan. Ala
You're laughing
Chan.
at us. Together with us. Though we do not know you.
So creepy.
No, no,
I don't know him. He's laughing at us.
Look at him. Look at him.